If your EETV box isn't connecting to Wi-Fi after a reset, you're not alone. This is one of the most common issues users face, especially after a factory reset. A factory reset completely wipes all configurations from your EETV box, including your Wi-Fi credentials and network settings. There are 4 main types of Wi-Fi connection issues you might encounter after resetting your EETV box. First, network detection failure, where the box cannot find available Wi-Fi networks. Second, authentication errors, where the system rejects your correct password. Third, IP assignment problems due to DHCP conflicts. And fourth, reduced signal strength compared to before the reset. Here are the essential steps to reconnect your EETV box to Wi-Fi after a reset. Step 1. Wait 2 to 3 minutes after the reset to allow the box to fully initialize before attempting any connections. Step 2. Navigate to Settings, then Network, then Wi-Fi to refresh the available networks list. Step 3. If your network doesn't appear in the list, try adding it manually using your network's SSID name. Your network must meet certain requirements for your EETV box to connect successfully. First, ensure your router supports modern encryption standards like WPA2 or WPA3. Older security protocols may cause connection issues. Second, verify your network speed meets the minimum requirements, at least 10 megabits per second for HD content or 25 megabits per second for 4K streaming. Remember these key steps. Wait after reset, refresh your network list, manually add your network if needed, and ensure your router meets the security and speed requirements. When basic reconnection steps don't work, these advanced troubleshooting techniques can resolve persistent Wi-Fi connection issues with your EETV box. First, try separating your router bands. Connect to the 2.4 GHz network initially, then upgrade to 5 GHz once stable. This approach resolves compatibility issues during the initial handshake process. Ensure your EETV box MAC address is whitelisted in your router settings if MAC address filtering is enabled. This prevents the router from blocking your device even with correct credentials. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer to identify the least congested channel for your network. Overcrowded channels cause interference and connection drops. Most routers default to channels 1, 6, or 11, which are often overcrowded. Consider assigning a static IP address to prevent DHCP conflicts. This ensures your EETV box always receives the same network address, eliminating connection drops caused by IP address changes. Prioritize streaming traffic using quality of service settings on your router. This ensures your EETV box receives adequate bandwidth even when other devices are using the network heavily. Research shows that restarting your router before the EETV box has a 78% success rate in resolving connection problems. Additionally, connecting to a 5 GHz network results in 40% fewer disconnections compared to 2.4 GHz networks.